smartphone manufacturers seem to be in a constant race to the top, at least when it comes to making the most expensive device around. However, price fatigue is finally giving way to the return of reasonably priced flagship competitors. OnePlus has always been a leading name in the category, including the OnePlus 8, and now Samsung is throwing its name in the ring too with the Galaxy S20 FE. While it might make sense to compare the S20 FE and the all-new 8T, the original OnePlus 8 still packs a punch. With a new low price of $599, and eligible Verizon users getting the OnePlus 8 5G for as low as $10 a month, let's pit the OnePlus 8 against the Galaxy S20 FE to see which device is worth your money. Powerful performance with all the RAM. While both the OnePlus 8 and Galaxy S20 FE come with the Snapdragon 865 on board, only the OnePlus 8 packs a full 8GB of RAM. The S20 FE, on the other hand, comes in with 6GB. That 8GB of RAM stretches even further when you consider the 90Hz display that just begs for intense games like Fortnite. Processing power is only part of the battle, but the OnePlus 8 stands out when you compare the software experience too. It runs on the light and airy Oxygen OS that OnePlus always optimizes to deliver a fast and smooth experience. And with more ways to customize, you can personalize the look and feel to match your style. When you set up your Galaxy device, on the other hand, you'll be welcomed into the world of Samsung One UI. While One UI is a significant improvement over the Samsung skins of old, it can still be a love-hate experience depending on your preferences, more than what's inside. While the internals are essential to the function of your phone, you can't forget about what's outside. OnePlus Flagship has a premium glass finish while the Galaxy S20 FE takes the glass-stick approach to save money and keep things simple. It doesn't hurt that the OnePlus 8 is actually lighter and thinner as well. If you're worried about how much time you spend charging, the OnePlus 8 is capable of blistering 30-watt swarp charging, giving you a full day's power in just 30 minutes. The Galaxy S20 FE, by comparison, tops out at 25 watts and only 15 watts with the included charger. Both devices pack premium displays and high refresh rates, but the OnePlus 8 edges out the S20 FE right at the edges. It sports slightly slimmer bezels and a punch-hole camera on the left instead of the Galaxy S20 FE's central unit. As for camera performance, the OnePlus 8 packs on the megapixels with its rear triple camera setup. Highlighted by a 48MP main shooter, you can also take advantage of 16MP and 2MP sensors. The Galaxy S20 FE packs a superior 32MP front-facing camera, so it all comes down to whether you prefer selfies or scenes. We can only do so much comparison between the OnePlus 8 and the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. With features on par with flagships and its new lowest price of $599, the OnePlus 8 is a premium smartphone well worth the money. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.